Welcome back to the Labconco Demo Lab. Today, we're talking about a powerful accessory that gives you an unprecedented level of insight during sample concentration, the CentriZap Pro Strobe Light. The CentriVap Pro is all about efficiently concentrating samples. But what happens when you need to monitor those samples while they're still running? That is precisely where the CentriZap Pro Strobe Light comes in. This accessory is specifically designed for use with the CentriVap Pro, allowing you to view your samples as if they were stationary while the rotor is still spinning. This means you can check your sample volume or observe the state of your samples without needing to pause or terminate the program currently in progress. Integrating the CentriZap Pro Strobe Light into your CentriVap Pro system is easy. It comes with a mounting holster and hardware for attachment to the right side of the concentrator and plugs into the back of the instrument. Once installed, you can enable the CentriZap option directly through the VaporWorks operating system by navigating to the settings and then selecting the configurations menu. When you activate the CentriZap feature during a run, the strobe light will engage once the rotor reaches 500 RPM to ensure a stable view of your samples. You'll find adjustment arrows on the pop-up dialog box that allow you to move your samples to a more convenient location in the chamber for observation. The CentriZap Pro Strobe Light is an invaluable tool for enhancing your workflow. It provides in-run visual sample monitoring, allowing you to maintain continuous oversight and make informed decisions about your process, all without interrupting the cycle. This translates to more efficient sample processing and greater confidence in your results. To learn more about the CentriZap Pro Strobe Light and how it can be integrated into your CentriVap Pro system, please visit labconco.com or contact your local Labconco sales representative.